Hello viewers, welcome back to JAT Online Maths. We are done with our previous lesson, that's ratio and proportion. Today we are going to look at percentages. It is one of the topics most students find difficult to handle. I want you to follow JAT Online Maths to understand it perfectly. And please try and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new lessons. Good. Now let's go to the question. The question says, a man spent 58% of his income and the amount of money left was 210 Ghana cedis. Find his income. So here we don't know the man's total income. Since we are dealing with percentages, the man's total income is equivalent to 100%. So take note. Good. So it says the man's income is equal to 100%. Now the amount left, that is the 210 Ghana cedis, is also equivalent to the percentage left. Now the man spent 58%. So what is the percentage left? It will be 100 minus 58. That will give us 42. So 210 Ghana cedis is equivalent to or is equal to 42%. So this is how we are going to find the man's income. So we are going to have 100 the total income is equal to 100 divided by 100 because his total income is equal to 100%. Now divided by 42%, that is the fraction left, the percentage left, times the amount left, 210. And 210 is equivalent to 42. So always make sure that the amount here or the figure here is equivalent to the figure here. Always. If they are not equivalent, then you are wrong. So take note. Good. So let's cancel. Now 21 go to itself 1, goes here 2. Now we have 10 here. So 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here 5. So we are going to have 100 by 5, which will give us 500 Ghana cedis. It means that the man's total income is 500 Ghana cedis. And you are getting all the steps. Good. Now we give another method. Second method, okay, that you can use to get your answer. So, total income. Now, you can also do it this way. Find the amount spent. When you are done, add it to the amount left to give you the total income. So 58% over 42%. This is the fraction, this is the percentage spent, this is the percentage left, times the amount left, 210. So 210 Ghana cedis. Now let's cancel. We are going to have 21 goes here 1. 21 goes here 2, because 2 times 21 will give us 42. So take note. Now we have 10 here, so 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here 5. So we are going to have 58 by 5. So 58 by 5 will give us 290, because 5 times 8 will give us 40. 0 carry 4. 5 times 5 will give us 25. 25 plus 4 will give us 290. So we are going to have 290 Ghana cedis. That's the amount spent. Now we want to find the total income. So we are going to have 290 Ghana cedis plus 210 Ghana cedis. Add them, we are going to have 500 Ghana cedis. So therefore, the man's total income is equal to 500 Ghana cedis. So this is how you're going to position your figures to find the answer. And you are getting all the steps. That's good. That's good. Let's go to the second question. The second question says, in an examination, 60% of the candidates failed. The number of candidates who passed was 500. Find the number that failed. Good. Now, 60% passed. 500 students, 60% failed. 500 students passed. Good. Now, if 60% failed, then how many percent passed? Because those who passed is equivalent to 500. So take note. So we are going to have 40% is equivalent to 500. Because those who passed were 500. And the percentage of those who passed is equal to 40%. Good. So let's find those who failed. Now those who failed, say they are 60%. So it will be 60 out of those who passed, 40% times 500. I told you that, take note, whenever the figure here and the figure here are not equivalent, you are doing consolidated job. That means you are wrong. So take note. So those who passed, in terms of candidates, they were 500. Now, in terms of percentage, they are 40%. So 40% is equivalent to 500 candidates. Now let's cancel. 0 cancels 0. 4 goes here, 1. 4 goes here, 15. So you're going to have 15 times 50, which will give us 15 by 5. 25. 5 by 1 will give us 5. Plus 2, that will give us 7. So we are going to have 7, then add your 0 to it. 750 candidates. It means that those who failed, they were 750 candidates. And you are getting all the steps. Good. You can also do it this way. You can also do it this way. Now go and find those. Go and find the total number of candidates who wrote the examination. Then after that, you subtract those who passed from it to get those who failed. Math is very interesting. Now, so total candidates. Another method, okay? Second method. Total candidates is equal to 100 because total candidates is equivalent to 100%. So 100 divided by 40 because percentage of those who passed was 40% times those who passed 500 candidates. So 0 goes here, 0 cancels 0, 4 goes here 1, 4 goes to 100, 25 times. So we are going to have 25 by 50. Okay, good. So 25 times 5. 25. 5 carry 2. 2 times 5 times 2 give us 10. 10 plus 2 give us 12. So 1, 2, 5. So we're going to have 1, 2, 5. Then add your 0 to it. Good. It means that 1,250 candidates wrote the examination. Now, the question is we should find those who failed. So, let's go and find those who failed. Those who failed is equal to 1,500 1,250 candidates minus those who passed. That's the 500 candidates, which will give us 750 candidates. So these are the students who failed. So either you use this method or this method, you get your answer correct. Please, math is never difficult. Good. Let's show the last example. Now, it says in an examination, 25% of the candidates failed to obtain the pass mark. The number of candidates who passed was 150. Calculate the number of candidates. So here we are looking for the total number of candidates who wrote the examination. Good. So we are saying that 25% failed to what? Obtain the pass mark. So if 25% failed to obtain the pass mark, how many students passed? So they give us students who passed, that's 150. So if 25% failed, then 75% passed. So we can say that 75% is equivalent to 150. Because those candidates who passed were 150, percentage of students who passed 75. So they are equivalent. So to find the total candidates, you are going to have total candidates is equal to 100%, because total number of students who wrote the examination, if you convert it into percentage, it will be 100%. So 100 divided by percentage of students who passed, that's 75%, times candidates who passed. So 150. Now let's cancel. Now 5 goes to 75. 15 goes here. 15 goes to self 1. Okay? 15 goes here. 15 goes here. How many times? 15 times what number will give you 75? It's 5 times. So 15 goes here, 5. 15 goes to itself 1. We have 10 here. So 5 goes here, 1. 5 goes to 10, 2. So you're going to have 100 times 2. You're going to get 200 candidates. So it means that 200 candidates wrote the examination. It's very simple. It's a matter of knowing how to position your figures. That's all. So you must know how to position your figures. That's all. Percentages are not difficult. Please. Now, I want you to ask if you have any comments. Give your comments. I will reply you. Keep on enjoying mathematics. Keep on practicing mathematics. Mathematics is all about constant practice. I wish you all the best.